Today we will talk about how to organize email, SMS, push and Telegram messages sending to your contacts using campaigns. Navigate to the campaign management page by selecting the corresponding section in the outbound menu. Use the channel filter to find campaigns of the specific channel. Press the filter button to select one of the channels: email, SMS, web push, Telegram. Also, you can select the statuses that you need at the moment for each of the channels. There are such campaign statuses: draft, waiting, ready, running, done, stopped, failed. For convenience, the Smart Sender IO team has provided sorting campaigns by name and launch type feature, as well as searching by name and campaign ID. Let's consider the interaction of campaign management buttons and statuses with each other, as well as in which type of campaigns you can meet them. The ready status means that all the necessary settings are specified. The campaign is ready and is in a manual launch standby mode. It can be started manually at any time, or it can be edited before launching. Displayed for the manual launch type. The combination of the Stop or Disable campaign button along with the running status means that a campaign cannot be stopped or edited at the moment. Can be displayed for all launch types. This combination of the campaign Stop or Disable button along with the waiting status means that the campaign is waiting for a specified launch date. It also means that the campaign can be paused and edited. If the launch time has passed on a subsequent restart, a warning message will be displayed, and you will be able to edit the campaign. There is to specify a new launch date, displayed for schedule and repeat launch types. The combination of this button and the stop status means that a campaign is paused. If a campaign was created with a schedule or repeat launch type, and after saving it was suspended until the send time comes, then it can be edited and launched again. This status means that a campaign was successfully sent. It is no longer possible to edit or restart it. Can be displayed for all launch types. If you leave the campaign settings page after pressing the Next Step button, the campaign gets a drop status. It can be edited, but it cannot be launched until you select the launch type and specify the appropriate settings for it. The failed status means that the campaign cannot be launched. That is, during the campaign launch, incorrect settings were specified or some parameters were missing. The error reason is displayed in the corresponding table by pressing the Information button. The campaign can be edited and restarted. Can be displayed for all launch types. Only some statuses allow you to edit the settings of campaigns. To edit a campaign, you just need to click on its name. Please note that if the campaign has already started sending messages, it is impossible to stop it. Making changes for subsequent sendings is available for recurring campaigns, but only after the previous iteration has ended. Therefore, we recommend that you carefully check all campaign settings before launching. Press the Analytics button in order to study and analyze how successful your campaign was. The Campaign Analytics section consists of several blocks. Let's consider them in more detail. General information displays the details of the campaign, and also you can download statistics in Excel or PDF formats in this section. For recurring campaigns, a panel called Overview is available. Here you can compare the effectiveness of all iterations with each other using the ratio of deliverability parameters to unique opens and clicks. This section only appears after the second iteration of the campaign has been submitted. The next section displays the number of emails sent since the campaign started. You can study in detail how deeply interested the target audience is in receiving messages from the campaign in the engagement section. To do this, learn statistics of the percentage, as well as the quantitative ratio of deliveries, opens, and clicks. The deliverability section displays your contact's interaction with the campaign, and also how relevant the recipient's data is, since there could be changes in the contact identifiers that you might not have known about before launching the campaign. For example, contacts may have deleted their email addresses and therefore can no longer receive notifications from you. The Geo-analysis section displays the activities of your contacts in the world map. The resulting charts give you an idea of the geographic distribution of your contacts. The next section helps you analyze what device, mobile or desktop, contacts more often click on your message from. Also, you can view information based on clicks about the success of the campaign, depending on the browser. The statistics of the 5 most used browsers are shown there. Use the top domain section to view details based on clicks about the success of your campaign among the email providers. Statistics for the top 4 email providers will be shown, as well as combined results for the rest of them. You can learn more about the analytics parameters values in our article. Press the information button to see the details of the campaign. Here you can check the following parameters: the channel type, the current campaign status, the name of the campaign along with its ID, the time and date of the campaign creation according to the account's time zone, the name and ID of the template, the name and ID of the contact list, the name of the segment. The number of mailing recipients is determined according to its rules. The name of the segment. The contacts are excluded from a certain mailing list according to its rules. Campaign sender name and address. The name and email address for which your client can apply for the reply. The campaign launch type. Campaign launch time and date. The list of tags that are included in the campaign. Name and ID of the Telegram bot for Telegram campaigns. The failure reason during the campaign launch. Press the More button. Here you can duplicate the campaign with the same settings and parameters. The campaign will be created in the draft status, which you can change after selecting the launch type. Delete the campaign without the recovery option. This function is also available by selecting the checkbox next to the campaign row. Campaign calendar. You can always keep abreast of the campaign's launching schedule with the help of our handy organizer. Each of your campaigns is placed in a specific cell in accordance with their launch day. Important: campaigns with a draft status will not appear on the calendar, because they do not have a specified launch type. To get the Beyond information, click on the campaign name. Here you can get acquainted with the such parameters: the name of the campaign, channel type, current campaign status, the launch type, launch details. If the campaign has not yet been sent, then you can proceed to edit it directly from the calendar. The features of the Smart Sender IO platform make it easy to organize and send your marketing communication. With just a few simple setup steps, and the campaigns already inform your customers about the latest news and promotions.